Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have a many colorful of vehicles. See this guys, there are many vehicles and very different color vehicles, and I am introduced today all of vehicles and hand driving one by one. So let's try this. First one is a police car. See this guys, this is very nice color combination. It's amazing choice. It's the yellow color, pink color and red color combination. And next one is a airplane. This is a very nice color combination. It's purple color, blue color, white color combination. And next one is a runner car. This is a DS runner car, 3D car. And there is a Benton fixed on bus, and it's a pink color combination. And next one is a trailer truck on Beko. It's a power Beko. And there is the last one is a base bike. So guys, all of vehicles are very nice and beautiful, and I am introduce all of vehicles for you. And right here I will hand driving with my hand all of vehicles one by one. So let's try this one. First one is a police bike, so I will try this one. Okay, I will park here, right here. Okay. So next one is a airplane. So I'll trying this one. Okay. Okay, I will try this one, of course, and this performance is very nice. Okay, next one is a runner car. This is a runner car, so I'll try this also, this one. Okay, I will park here, right here. Okay, next one is a Benton famous fixed-on car, so I will trying this also. Okay, I will park here. So next one is a trailer truck on Beko, so try this one. Okay, I'll park here. Okay guys, there is the last one is a beach bike, so I will trying this also, this one. Okay, I will park here. So guys, today I am all of vehicles hand driving testing, and their all vehicles performance are very nice. And today I am ending my video, and see you soon with next video with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.